This is Realme C55, and today I would like to show how you can enter and use the camera pro mode on this device. So first step is to obviously launch the camera itself, then scroll the list of available modes over here to the More section, and among the additional modes that are not included into the list of regular modes, just tap at the Pro. And as you can see, in the Pro mode, you can manually change the values for such things as ISO, the shutter speed, white balance, focus, and exposure. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.